in looking at this problem, again, what you want to be able to do is identify forms. And so this is the form of difference of squares. And so you have some base here, which I'll call a squared, minus another base, b squared. Therefore, when you work to factor it, it factors into the sum and difference of the bases that are being squared. And so it's a matter of figuring out what bases are these. Well, in this case, our a value is this whole expression, x squared plus 8. And what would our b value be? What do you square to get 36x squared? 6x, right? So here's our a and b value. So what we're going to do is we're going to place those in here. So x squared plus 8 for the a's. And then the b's we're going to replace with a 6x. So plus 6x here and a minus 6x here. And now, in the same time, if you anticipated this, you could have written it in standard form as you expressed it. But I want to rewrite these in standard form. So x squared plus 6x plus 8. And then x squared minus 6x plus 8. So here's the same factors written in standard form. And so anytime your factors don't reduce down to a first degree polynomial. Okay, so here's two second degree polynomials. You want to see, are there any other ways to factor these? And now it might be that there's no more factors than that it is a second degree polynomial factor, but you want to try to see, can you get it down to be a first degree factor? So looking at this, are there two factors? This is there's no perfect squares, no common factors to remove. It's so we can now look to reverse FOIL. And our leading coefficient is 1, so all we need to do is look to see, are there two factors of positive 8 whose sum is positive 6? Plus 4 and plus 2, correct? Okay. We can now look for this second polynomial. It's also a leading coefficient of 1, so we can reverse FOIL, check to see, are there two factors of positive 8 whose sum is negative 6? Negative 4 and negative 2. And so we get our factors here.